Hi, I am Marcela and this video is about technology. What positive and negative aspects do you consider that your community has had in the use of technology today? The positive and negative aspects of technology in the world are clearly appreciated in today's society. For example, technology provides easy access to different forms of communication, but at the same time, it can generate a violation of privacy as a result of its use. Positive ease of communication, access to information, improve quality of life, improve the quality of education, the Bureau of Social Networks. Thank you.